And we need to stop living in this fear mindset. So this other quote by Carl Jung that I really love says, people will do anything, no matter how absurd, to avoid facing their own souls. The only thing we have to fear on this planet is man. And that's such a good quote. And that's absolutely true. People will do anything, no matter how crazy it is, to face themselves, to face their own inner world, to face their own mind. They will constantly distract themselves, create insane religious stories and beliefs, go out on, insane escapades and destructive acts just because they're afraid of facing what lies within themselves. And says the only thing we have to fear on this planet is man. And that's absolutely right. And humanity hasn't had enough time. It's about high time that humanity stops all this ridiculousness, grows up spiritually, and realizes what they are, where they are, why they are here, do the inner work, and help us create a new world and stop all this fear, stop all this hatred, stop all this destruction, and stop all this division. And you can tell when people who are obsessed with division and hate, and they're just constantly spewing disgusting attacks. And you see this so much on the, like with right wingers. It's extremely bad.